Hi people, I am Ashok Yadav and you are watching Million Bytes. In this video, we will be unboxing a very useful gadget, a very smart device. And the product is Portronics Portable Ruffpad e-writer POR 628. I have the product right here and without any further ado, let's get into it.
So let me first cut the tape so that we can open it. Here you can see we have this invoice and this rough pad. So I'll put aside this invoice and we will talk about this rough pad. Here we can see the Portronics branding on the top left, and on the top right we can see the model number, that is Ruffpad 8.5. It's 8.5 because the diagonal screen size is 8.5 inches. Let's see what all are mentioned on the other side. So first of all, let's talk about the features of this rough pad. It says easy writing. We hope it will be easy to write and draw on this rough pad. There are 4 magnetic dots on the back side of this rough pad, with the help of which you can stick this rough pad to any metallic surface. And it's eco-friendly. Definitely it's eco-friendly because it lets you save lots and lots of paper and pen. That's why it's eco-friendly. Vision friendly because the display is non-radiating. That means it doesn't emit radiations and it will not have any bad effect on your eyes. One click erase, so it lets you erase everything on the screen with just a one click. Now let's see some more details about this product. The brand name is Portronics, model ID is Ruffpad 8.5 POR 628, color is black, and the MRP is $899, but you can get it for around 300 to 400 on Amazon or Flipkart. So what does this package contains? It contains a rewritable LCD pad and a stylus. And the best thing is that this rough pad comes with a 1-year warranty. Portronics is a trustable brand. It's a really good brand. I have used some of the products of Portronics, and if Portronics is giving 1-year warranty, then definitely it's going to be a good product. So once again we will have to cut some of the tapes to remove the product from this box, and here we go. Here it is. It's wrapped in a sheet, some kind of packaging material. You can see some kind of paper. It says to register your warranty. This is a paper which you can use to register this product for warranty. You just have to scan this code or WhatsApp on this number, WhatsApp the photo on this number, and you have to follow all the steps that's mentioned on the website. Okay, this is the rough pad, and you can see a very nice little branding over here, and this is the delete button which you can use to delete whatever is written on the screen. So first let's try to write something with the help of this stylus, and if you want to remove this stylus, we have to remove from here. We have to pull like this, and if you want to put it back, then you have to place the tip of the stylus there, and then you have to push it like this slowly. So let's remove it and start writing something. Let me write my name. Great. It's a pressure sensitive screen, so if you want to draw a thin line like this, you have to draw very lightly with very less pressure, and if you want to draw a thick line, you have to press a little bit more, but don't press too hard also. And if you want to draw even more thick line, then press more tightly like this. Okay, let's try to erase whatever we have drawn over here. So to erase this, we have this erase button, and let's try. It's not erasing because we haven't removed this plastic from the battery side. So let's remove it first. Yeah, it's removed and it's automatically erased. Let's try to draw something else. Let's draw some rivers, anything. So, and now let's try to erase it once again. This time it gets erased within seconds. There is no other option to erase in parts. Let's say if I write A, B, C, if I want to erase C from here, then there is no option. We just have to erase the whole screen completely just by pressing this button. Let's see the back side of this tablet. What we have the 4 magnets on the back side. All right, now let's see how you can use these 4 magnets. You can use those 4 magnets to stick it to any metallic surface like this. This is a very useful product, not just for kids but also for adults, for students, for everyone. We can write notes, we can write to do. If we talk about the battery, it's present on the top right corner here. So let me remove it and show it to you. It's here. It's a 3-volt lithium battery, and we usually call it coin battery. You must have seen in some small gadgets. So it's a 3-volt battery and its type is CR2016. The company claims that the battery lasts for around 2 years, but I have read in some of the reviews that the battery lasts for 1 year. So it purely depends on your uses, how much you are using this device. The battery is only used to clear whatever is written on this screen, just for this purpose. If we remove the battery and then try to erase whatever is written on the screen, it will not get erased because it uses the battery to erase whatever is written. You will know easily when the battery gets discharged. It will stop erasing this screen. If we talk about the stylus, it fits very easily in the hands. It doesn't need any cell or any battery. The tip is very soft and it feels just like we are writing on a paper. Now that we have seen the unboxing of Portronics Ruffpad 8.5, let me give my views on this product. First of all, it is from a reliable brand, and I have used other products from this brand also, like Bluetooth speaker and music system, etc. So I believe this is a good product, and then it gives a 1 year of warranty, which is also great. The look and feel of this product is also good, and writing on this Ruffpad feels very smooth, and that's why it's a very useful product for kids, for teenagers, for adults, and for everyone. I believe this is a great product as it saves lots and lots of paper and it's environment friendly. So I will recommend everyone to use this product, and if you want to buy it, you can just follow the link in the description and you can purchase this product from there. If you liked watching the video, give it a thumbs up. Do let me know in the comments below what feature about this product you liked the most, and do subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.